open your line renderer component and manually change its color. The color variable is a gradient which contains 1 to 8 color keys and 1 to 8 alpha keys positioned anywhere between 0 and 1. Assuming one single color, I found 3 ways to change a line renderer's color from a script. The first one changes the start and end color keys. This can cause weird behavior if you have more than 2 color keys. The second one makes a new gradient which has only 2 color keys and makes them both the target color. The third one keeps the same amount of color keys and changes them all to the new color. With this in mind, you can transition between colors with the help of color.lerp. For lines with multiple colors, you simply assign the new gradient to the line renderer's color gradient. You can modify the gradient's individual keycodes as well. Finally, with a little bit more of code, we can even animate the gradient looping around itself.
Hey, thanks for watching again. Would you kind